Hey, what's up YouTube? Just got back from Pahrump again to get a few more fireworks. And I stopped by Red Apple Fireworks to pick up a pack of these brand new 60-gram canister shells for 2013 called Reaper shells. And these are made by Big. And this pack comes with 24 shells and 4 fiberglass tubes. Here's one of the tubes right here. It's stapled and glued down to a wooden base. You see here. And this kind of fiberglass tube is actually a little better than others I've seen because, first of all, it's thicker. Alright, now let me show you the box. On the sides of the box we got the effects of each shell. Pink, sea blue, orange, peony. Sure, that looks nice. Show you the back. These are probably pictures of each 24 canister shell. Each canister shell has a different effect. Again, so that every single shell is different. We got corn willow. Not sure what that is, but I'm guessing it's probably just a yellow colored willow. Alright. And let's take a look at one of these shells. These actually feel heavier than normal 60-gram canister shells, and they look actually a little bigger. So I don't think these are rewraps of Big's Pro shells. Actually, they're taller. They feel a lot heavier too. Actually, let me grab one of these shells and get a comparison. Here's one of the shells of vengeance. So look at that, you can tell. This is a little bit longer. I wonder what that is for. Maybe it might have more powder or stars in the shell. Maybe that's the reason why it feels heavier. Probably not, though. I've also heard that maybe the reason why the shell's longer so it can shoot up higher. I don't know, though. But these are bigger. Definitely are heavier. I don't know how good these are yet. Well, actually these do look pretty damn good because I've seen some videos of these already. There's one posted by Red Apple Fireworks, and they look pretty damn good. That's why I went out to buy one of these, and because they're brand new for 2013. But I'm gonna go ahead and light some of these off tonight. Get you guys a couple of demo videos and see how well these perform. Hopefully they're good. We'll see. Alright then, yeah, but that's my unboxing video of these new 60-gram canister shells called Reaper shells by Big. And also, these are not to be confused by Big's single-shot Reaper shell tubes. These are different. But yeah, just wanted to show you this vid real quick. Alright, that's it. Later.